the shadows of ignorance, a voice does proclaim I'm right, I'm sure I know the game. Dunning-Kruger effect, a cognitive stain, unconsciously incompetent, but the comfort is remains. They preach and they teach with a zealot's fire, unaware of the flames that their ignorance inspire. Cold like followers in an echo chamber tight, PDFs and prophets leading them into the night. Left or right, we choose our stands, but bias is blind. Our moral trends, social progress versus traditions might, both sides caught in the echo's delight. Confirmation bias, emotional sway, lack of empathy as the narrative decays. We find our tribe and we stand as one. Motivated reasoning, the battle's just begun. God or led, the answers are few. Disappear kids and the truth is taboo. In the darkness we search for a clue, but the illusion of choice keeps us misled, it's true.